Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss fuzzy relation. Before knowing what is meant by fuzzy relation, you should have some idea about fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is nothing but in case of Boolean logic, there are only two values associated with the elements of a set. Okay, the value can be either 0 or 1, or we can say the value can be true or false. But in case of fuzzy logic, or we can say in case of fuzzy relation, there are certain values associated with the set of elements of set. See here, set A is there, and in this set 3 elements are there, but you can see certain values are there with each element. That is, the element bus is having value 0.3, element car is having a value associated with it 0.7, and element train is having value 0.1 associated with it. Whereas this is not a case in case of Boolean logic. In case of Boolean logic, only the elements will be present in the set. What are these values? These values are nothing but degree of membership associated with this element. Bus is an element of set A, and this is a degree of membership associated with this element. Or we can say these are nothing but the membership values. And if this value is higher, we can say this element is strongly associated with this set. And if this value is lower, then we can say here it is 0.1. So we can say the element train is weakly associated with this set. And the relation with the help of example. So we have two sets. Set X is having three names of three diseases: say typhoid, viral and cold. And set Y is having three symptoms of the diseases, that is runny nose, high temperature and shivering. Now the fuzzy relation is defined as, you can say, it can be represented with the help of a table. Okay. So what does it indicate? Suppose a person is having runny nose, then its membership value is only 0.1. Okay, means there is very less probability that a person having runny nose is having a typhoid. Secondly, we will discuss if a person is having high temperature, then here membership value is 0.9. It indicates that there is a high chance of having typhoid to that person if he is having a high temperature. Third is, if a person is shivering, symptom is shivering, then in that case membership value is 0.8. So there is a strong chance of having typhoid to that person if he shows this symptom. So this is how the membership values will use to find out the relation. This is the fuzzy relation. Now we will discuss how to find out the fuzzy Cartesian product. Okay, fuzzy Cartesian product: if A and B are two fuzzy sets such that mu A of X such that X belong to X, mu B of Y such that Y belongs to capital Y. Okay, mu A and mu B are nothing but membership functions of set A and B. Okay, so the Cartesian product R is given as mu G of X comma Y is equal to mu A into B of X comma Y is equal to minimum of mu A of X comma mu B of Y. Okay, अभी एक example discuss करते हैं so that it will be clear to you. In this example, A equal to, these two elements are there in set A, A1 and A2, two elements, and these are their associated membership values. Set B, two elements are there, B1 and B2, and these are the associated membership values of this set. So Cartesian product क्या आएगा इसका? What will be the Cartesian product? A1 comma B1, and minimum of this two we have discussed here, that the minimum value will be there in the final result or in the Cartesian product. So minimum value is 0.2. So A1 comma B1 comma 0.2. Then in this case again A1 comma B1 comma 0.2, A2 B1 0.5 because 0.5 is minimum between 0.7 and 0.5, and then A2, B2 and 0.6. So these four values, this four sets will be there in the Cartesian product. We call it as the ordered pair. These ordered pairs will be there in the Cartesian product, and in case of matrix form, this can be represented as A1, A2, B1, B2, and these are the membership values that we got by applying this rule. Minimum of this two value will be there in the final value, and that can be represented in the form of matrix here. So this is about the fuzzy relation example and how to find out the Cartesian product of a fuzzy relation. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to see more videos on this topic, fuzzy logic. Thank you.